What's up, everybody? I'm about to show you how I changed my cabin filters on this W203 Mercedes C-Class. This car has 2 locations for cabin filtration and a total of 3 filters. I started with the easier one under the hood. This will be done in less than a minute or two. Find the battery cover box near the passenger side, unhook 3 clips and gently pull it out. Flip it over and there's the first cabin filter. Just pop it out and pop the new one in. It only goes in a specific way. Pop the cover back on by finding the grooves in the back of the battery cover and aligning it with the grooves and the plastic portion that's inside of the car. Hook and reclamp all 3 connections. This car has auto climate control, so there are 2 more filters near the passenger footwell. Get a T20 Torx Screwdriver, and under the glove box there's a cover that's held on by 2 T20 Torx screws. Remove the screws and slide the panel gently around and out. You don't need to disconnect the light. You can now access and remove the filter cover by sliding it towards you and down. The filters can slide out with the little pull tabs, or they may just fall out, or you can wiggle them out. Once the filters are slid in all the way, take the filter cover and align the 2 hooks on its underside and slide it towards the engine. Gently align and replace the footwell panel. Make sure you align it properly with your trim. My recommendation for the Torx screw is to hand tighten it before trying to use a screwdriver. You should do this yearly, especially if you drive a lot, and enjoy the fresh air. If this video helped you, hit the like button.